subscribe my channel. Add chickpeas to cup. Make paste. Add onion chopped 1 cup. Tomato chopped 1. Green coriander chopped ½ cup. Lemon juice to tablespoon. 1 egg. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin seed 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Salt as required. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Greased hand with oil. Make kabab. Ready to fry. Add oil 1 cup for fry. Fry on medium flame from all sides until golden brown. Ready to serve. Time to eat. Thanks for watching.